पंचामृत प्रेजेंस फोर्टिफाइड राइस, संपूर्ण पोषण और स्वस्थ जीवन की पहचान।
Panchamrita Rice presents Food Mania.
Welcome back to Prudent Media on yet another episode of Food Mania. As we can see that the chef has wonderfully laid out the table, and I can see some fish and rice here along with some mustard oil. So let's ask him what we're making today.
Hi Deva and hi everybody, Food Mania, welcome. So, she's asked me, कि क्या बना रहे हो? Fish. Sunday telecast देखने के बाद ना हजारों में मेल आ जाते हैं कि you're a bong. या कुछ बंगाली खाना बनाओ. आज तक बनाया नहीं है मैंने, जितने भी एपिसोड्स आपने देखे हैं. So lots of suggestions. So on compulsion मैं आज ये बना रहा हूँ. Very simple, you can make it at home. It is called March Full Coffee. March Full Coffee is basically fish with cauliflower.
So chef, what kind of fish and rice are you using?
Well, very good question, The rice, wonderful raw panchamrita, raw rice. And, machid jhol, तो इसके साथ चावल तो हाथ से खाएंगे हम लोग. And fish I'm using, basa. It's a wonderful fish, like you can see, buffet. In my previous episodes, I had used their prawns, tiger prawns.
Right.
That was excellent. I had made a Pan-Asian paella. That was excellent. So today I'm using this basa fillet, panchamrita rice, and last not least, courtesy Wonder Chef. You see, the Wonder Chef cooktop and all those pots, pans, mixie, and what I made in this is one of the main ingredients. And now let me come on to the ingredients, what I'm having. So now, I have made the fillet of the basa. And now what all spices I am using. I have roasted the coriander and I put it in the grinder. I made a powder out of it. Ginger paste, curry powder, ghee, clarified butter, whole black pepper. I've got some turmeric, haldi powder, cauliflower, March Full Coffee. March means in Bengali is fish, coffee is cauliflower, tejpatta and red chili. These are the Guntur, Andhra. Paprika powder, degi mirch, dhania, fresh dhania. So I've got the fish fillet. I'm going to add some salt. And some haldi, turmeric. So I'm going to gently mix it up. So that's it. Let it rest for 10 minutes. So I have my gas on. So now what I'm going to do is कि मैं पहले ना फिश को ना ये जो फिश मैरिनेट 10 मिनट हो चुके हैं तो इसको मैं शैलो फ्राई कर लूँगा. एंड ऑयल व्हाट आई एम यूजिंग टुडे इज मस्टर्ड ऑयल. जो मस्टर्ड ऑयल इसमें बचेगा ना, वॉट एवर विल बी लेफ्ट ओवर, I'll be shallow frying this and the cauliflower. इसी ऑयल को मैं यूज करूंगा to make the machid jhol. So let me just check it up कि अगर ये गरम है. It will not take very long, just 5 minutes. So let me just check it up. So it's giving a nice color. ना बढ़िया कलर आ गया है. So my fish is done from the both the sides. तो अब इसको हम निकाल लेते हैं. So you see the fish color. So I put the other lot and another 3-4 minutes. So getting the other lot, just you see lovely color which is come in. मुझे यही कलर चाहिए था और कलर आ गया. This is also done up. This is such a nice lovely color. So you see ये फिश को मैंने पैन सीयर कर लिया है and I have shallow fry कर लिया है. It's looking so nice. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to fry the cauliflower. Just for about 3-4 minutes. Just going to give little color. ये cauliflower जो है ना ये थोड़ा ऑयल को पी जाएगा and I want that. So you see the cauliflower is also done up. इतना ही करना है. बाकी आई टेल यू इसको बनाना कैसे है, इसको कुक कैसे करना है. आई जस्ट वांटेड टू इन्फ्यूज द फ्लेवर लाना था इसमें, वो मैं ला चुका हूँ. सो नाउ आई हैव डन अप विद द फिश. आई हैव शोन द फिश एंड दिस इज हाउ द कॉलीफ्लावर लुक्स लाइक. So like I told you, I'm going to use this oil. And then I'm going to add some more oil. अब आप ये सोच रहे होंगे कि इसमें इतना ऑयल क्यों डाल रहा हूं, वो बाद में बताऊंगा कि इस ऑयल को मैं कैसे यूज करूंगा. So the oil is heated up. Now what all I'm going to put? थोड़ा तेज पत्ता डाल रहा हूँ, गुंटूर लाल मिर्च एंड थोड़ा ब्लैक पेपर. That's it. तो हमने क्या क्या डाला? तेज पत्ता, लाल मिर्च एंड काली मिर्च. Now जेंटल थोड़ा सा स्टर दे देते हैं इसमें, थोड़ा सा कलर आ जाए. So now what I'm putting is ginger paste, no garlic, only ginger. This is that roasted dhania, तो धनिया का मैंने पाउडर बनाया था. I'm going to put little. Use a roasted dhania powder. खुद ही ग्राइंड कर लेना. I am going to add some हल्दी, और इसमें मैं थोड़ा पानी ऐड कर रहा हूं क्योंकि मसाला जल ना जाए. I am putting some paprika powder, curry powder. ये आप डाल भी सकते हैं, नहीं भी डाल सकते हैं. तो इसको तब तक पका लेते हैं जब तक ये थोड़ा ऑयल नहीं छोड़ देता है. सो जैसा कि हम देख रहे हैं यूसी, ये मसाला जो है तेल छोड़ना शुरू कर दिया है. तो नाउ व्हाट आई एम गोइंग टू डू, I am going to add the cauliflowers. And then I'm going to add some fresh coriander. और इसको मैं थोड़ी देर इसको कुक कर लेता हूं. थोड़ा सा पानी डाल रहा हूं मैं. Now I'm going to add some salt. Salt आप टेस्ट के हिसाब से डाल दीजिए. And pour some water. And let the cauliflower cook for about 10 minutes. Let's see. March full coffee. Cauliflower fish. अभी तैयार नहीं हुआ, अभी तो cauliflower कुक हुआ है. So the cauliflower is almost done. मेरे को उसकी खुशबू आ रही है. तो अब हम इसमें ये फिश को डाल देते हैं. इसी प्लेटर में ना जो लिक्विड है वो मैं इसमें डाल दूंगा. So I put the fish and on medium fire I'll keep it, let's say, for about 5 to 7 minutes. मैं थोड़ा धनिया बाद में फिनिशिंग में भी धनिया डालूंगा. अभी थोड़ा सा धनिया डाल रहा हूं. 5 to 7 minutes. The Panchamrita rice, raw लचकारी, ये हमने बॉईल कर लिया था. And then I put it in the steamer. ये देखिए स्टीमर पे ये फर्स्ट क्लास स्टीम लग रहा है इसमें. And this is done, you know. अभी स्टीम लग के another 2 minutes it will be ready. And March full coffee. See, wonderful. You see, cauliflower का flavor, that धनिया, and कोई garlic वगैरह हमने कुछ नहीं इस्तेमाल किया है. You see, just धनिया and हल्दी से. I have just tasted the gravy. अभी इसमें एक चीज और डलेगा. Amazing, you'll like it. इसमें मैं डाल रहा हूं थोड़ा सा और धनिया, देसी घी, धनिया डाल दिया, देसी घी डाल दिया और इसको कर दिया बंद. राइस भी देखो फर्स्ट क्लास. ओनली फॉर 2 minutes. तैयार है बिल्कुल. अभी आई जस्ट डिश इट आउट.
मॅडम, सुगंध तर इतलो बरो येता जाणा.
थँक्यू.
टिफिना वांगडा त्यो न्यूट्रिशनाच्यो गुडयो दिवपाक विसरू नाका हा.
आता तू न्यूट्रिशनाच्यो गुळयो विसर.
कित्याक?
का या तांदळातूच सगळे न्यूट्रिशन मेळटले. पंचामृता फोर्टिफाईड राईस हातूंत आयर्न, झिंक, फॉलिक ऍसिड, व्हिटॅमिन ए, बी सारकेले 9 मिनरल्स आसात. तर हे झाले नाही निरोगी आणि सुवादिक. तर पुराय पौष्टिक आहारा खातीर
पंचामृता फोर्टिफाईड राईस
असल्यास पुरो.
पुराय पोषणा खातीर पंचामृता फोर्टिफाईड राईस. घराघरांनी पंचामृता.
Reham Smart. She is a restaurant and club hopper. Hello.
As she's told, you know, restaurant and club hopper and sleeping in daytime and रात को खाना वाना खाती रहती है. So Reham, you know, I made some Bengali fish curry with cauliflower. This is called Phul Kopi Mach, and that's the lovely raw rice.
Looks good.
Thank you very much. Both foodies I have here, both are going to give me feedback. फिर मैं खाऊंगा, मैंने टेस्ट कर लिया है. ठीक है? So Reham, please try it and tell me both of you first.
You're not having shit.
I'm having first. The guest invitee should have this and tell me this is a Bengali. Normally हाथ से खाना चाहिए, but you know we're sitting in a decent place, so हाथ से नहीं खाएंगे, fork and this thing. How is it?
The fish is very soft and tender.
Yeah, I'm using pasta, you know. Pasta use कर रहे हैं. See, it's got nice cauliflower flavor and
What kind of spices did you use in this, chef? It's very like flavorful.
yeah, spices only. Whole spices I've used that Andhra chili and बाकी मैंने black pepper and तेज पत्ता and I've roasted the whole coriander and whole coriander को roast करके and then थोड़ा coarse grinding powder नहीं बनाया है. So उसी का फ्लेवर है बस और हल्दी. That's it. You don't need anything. हमारी जो मम्मी खाना बनाती थी सिर्फ नमक हल्दी से खाना बनाती थी, पर प्यार डालती थी. खाने में प्यार डालो तो वैसे ही टेस्ट आ जाता है. हाँ, तो Reham, you liking it?
It's very juicy.
Very light.
Yeah, it's melting in my mouth.
It will melt and ये देखो कोई मसाला ही नहीं है इसमें ज़्यादा.
This fish is tasting like a wow.
Yeah?
Like a wow.
The origins are Vietnam. What I have used is an imported Vietnam. India में you get fresh also.
Okay.
It is called Pangash. जो है ना Pangash is the same family. So you can use fresh also. But I have used the Vietnamese, you know, Buffet. I use their products. Very nice. So first of all, I would like to thank Regenta and Kandolim for the shoots. Very helpful people. Nice breakfast they have, Regenta. And, you know, they have... I'm going to ask you a question, you know. It is related to this episode. I've used a fish. It's called basa. Basa is a freshwater fish. So there are two questions I have. If you answer correctly, you will get a 1500 rupees voucher. First, the basa what I've used was the origins are from which country? And second, what is basa called in India? So two questions. The basa I used, it was from which country? And question number two is, what is basa called in India? Generic, like everywhere it's the same name. If you answer it correctly, and if there are multiple answers correct, I'll put a lucky draw and lovely food. You know, they have a multi-cuisine restaurant. And I'll tell you one thing, the breakfast I had here is it's wonderful breakfast, you know. They have live counters, you know, omelets and eggs and all. And, you know, it's a 1500 rupees voucher and it suffices two of them. Two of them for a lunch and dinner. So breakfast, you know, probably three of you can have it. So keep watching Prudent Media. Keep watching Food Mania. Till next episode. Thanks and have a wonderful day.